The STIHL HSA 56 lithium-ion compact cordless hedge trimmer is perfectly designed to trim hedges around the garden. It's part of the STIHL lithium-ion compact range, which uses interchangeable 36-volt batteries. The batteries will fit other tools in the range, including lawnmowers, a grass trimmer, a blower, and chainsaws. You can trim branches up to 15mm in diameter with the HSA 56, and with an impressive 40-minute runtime using an AK10 battery, this powerful hedge trimmer will make short work of overgrown hedges, trimming through up to 140 square meters of hedges in one charge. The double-sided, single-edged cutting blades work smoothly and efficiently to trim annual growth and overgrown hedges too. We just recommend a little resin spray to help remove sap and keep the blades moving freely. The lightweight and compact design, coupled with 36-volt lithium-ion compact technology, offers great balance, comfort and power in one neat little package. The efficient teardrop-shaped blades pull and trap small branches between the cutting teeth. It also has an integrated blade tip protector for more durability when trimming close to walls or hard surfaces. There is a neutral locking position for the battery, which means it can be safely transported in the tool without the risk of the machine starting. For neat storage in the garage or shed, the HSA 56 hedge trimmer can be easily mounted to the wall via the hanging eyelet. To use the HSA 56, simply click the battery in, flick this switch forward, squeeze the front handle and make sure your hand covers the trigger interlock, and then pull up the trigger. When using a hedge trimmer, always read the manual before use and make sure you wear the correct personal protective equipment. With this tool, you should be wearing snug fitting clothes, goggles, gloves and sturdy footwear.